Set number 2 of your neck exercises includes working up of muscles around the base of the neck and around the shoulder muscles. You will need a resistance band for it, right? A standard resistance band of about 1.5 meters or 1.7 meters pre-cut lengths are readily available up in the market, right? This is a medium resistance band which I have. Now, step 1, mark the center of the band and put your leg on top of it and ensure that it's 0 distance. Hold the band up, shorten the length as per your hip and hold it there. Superb, right? Now let's start. Now this is going to be the starting position for a lot of your exercises. Okay, equidistance, right? Start. Now exercise number 1 is elbow flexion, right? You go with both arm elbow flexion 10 times with your thumb pointing up, right? Exercise number 2, elbow straight. Take your hand under the length of the shoulder and bring it back. Right? Take your hand up till the shoulder and then bring it down. You may do one side or you may do both the sides together, depending on how smooth you find the exercise to be. All exercises 10 times each. Number 3, again with your thumb pointing up, take your hand all the way up to the shoulder and then drop it back. You may choose to do both the sides together and then drop it back up. Right? That's exercise number 3. For exercise number 4, mark the band at the level of knee to both sides. Continue to step this leg in front, the other leg back. Now, holding the band up there with the thumb pointing downwards, take your elbow backwards. Release it. Take the elbow backwards. Release it. Again, 10 times on the same exercise. Going on to the next one. Shorten the band. Hold just at the level of your body. Keep the elbows bent at 90 degrees. Hold the band right there. With the elbow firmly placed against the torso, move your hand horizontally to the side and bring it back in. Hand horizontally to the side and bring it back in. You may also do both your hands together. Nice. Coming down to the next exercise, you will use the same length of a band or use a shorter band. Hold, keeping your elbow straight. Hold the arm straight right there. Pull it wide, pull it close. Wide and close. Wide and close. 10 times. At the level of the shoulder. Wide and close. Wide and close. 10 times. Then take your hands all the way up. Pull the band wide, pull it back close. Pull the band wide, pull it back close. Right? Engage. Ensure that you're working up the muscles around the shoulder blade, quite engaged there. Now once this is done, place your fingertips at the shoulder. Bring your elbow closer to each other. Move them away. Squeeze the shoulder blade to each other and release it. Squeeze the shoulder blade together and release it. 10 times again. Go shoulder circles, back to front, 10 circles, front to back, 10 circles. And the last exercise for your set number 2, place your one hand behind your back, the other hand hold the head and slowly pull it to one side so that you feel a uniform stretch around the entire length of the muscle. Now, the difference between doing your hands at the side of the body and with your hands back is that when your hands are at the side of the body and when you tilt, tendency is that you may elevate the shoulder on that side. To avoid that elimination and to gain the maximum strength, place your hands on the back of it. Pull the head slowly to the same side. Hold it there for a count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This covers up set number 1 and set number 2 of basic neck exercises for primarily almost all conditions. Do each and every exercise 10 times, 2 times a day, before breakfast and before dinner. Thanks for watching.